Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute, but my name's Camilla. Here I have a Shein haul for you guys. I have the packages right here, not just one but two, so that's cute. Before we get started, I just want to say hey, welcome back to my channel, and like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. And yeah, I decided to do a Shein haul because it's summer, that's first of all, and second of all, I haven't bought clothes in a minute, as I say when I went to the mall like last week. But anyways, let's go ahead and open up my packages. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the accessories first. So I bought this bag. I thought it was gonna be bigger because the website says a smaller size, a bigger size than it actually is, but it's whatever. It's still cute. The only thing is that, like, look, the white stuff gets stuck to it, so it's like that type of pants material. So like, it's, you got what you pay for, you know. I got this other book bag. Basically the back, like, the things aren't attached. I don't know how I'm gonna get that on there, but you know, it's okay. So this is like the size of the bag. It's like medium sized or whatever, and there's like pockets on the inside, so that's kind of cute. I thought it was gonna be darker, but yeah, I think it's okay. It's the same type of material as the other one, but this one's a little more, I think this one's more better, you could say. And it brought like little charms and stuff, and yeah. So I also bought claw clips or whatever. I'm surprised they didn't come broken, but they're kind of hard to open. They're okay. I thought it would be a little bit better, but you know, we'll see if they don't. We'll see if they actually last a week or two. Okay guys, so I also bought some hair ties, satin hair ties. So let's see if it's actually like satin or is it like a bad type of material. Oh, they're pretty good. They're like the hair ties you see at like the beauty supply store. Oh, and I also bought some sunglasses. I'm kind of scared. I hope they gave me like the color I wanted, so I hope these actually suit my face. We'll see. If anything, I'll just put it at the top of my head everywhere I go. So, oh sorry, I bought the black ones and then these like clearish brown ones. So let's see how they look. Oh, they're okay. I mean, let me know down in the comments. I don't know why I'm like this today, but yeah, I haven't recorded in a minute. Oh, they're kind of stylish. Like, I could wear this with a suit, like, you know, business attire, you know. Don't mess with me, y'all. Yo, I got jokes. Oh wait, these are really hard. Like, these are pretty good. These are more like softer, if that makes sense. Like, these are more likely to break, but these are pretty good. We're gonna move on to the clothing now. You guys already saw most of everything that I bought. I'm gonna just put everything on. Okay, so I love the top. Like, it's giving, and I like the bottoms, but together it's not cute. Like, I don't know, green on green doesn't go with me, on me personally. Maybe if I add like a purse, like a black purse, to like spice it up, maybe it'd be a little cuter. Or maybe it's just me right now, maybe I'll grow into it. But the quality's nice. I don't think it's gonna get ugly or whatever, but yeah, I like it. Okay guys, so I also bought this shirt. It goes like down to my mid thighs, as you can see, and the quality, it's supposed to be where you could wear it with a swimsuit and stuff. It's breathable, so I could wear this like in the summer or whatever. So I feel like this would kind of go with this. It's kind of giving damn. Okay, this top, I'm in love. Like, seriously, I'm in love. This is so cute. Like, this is so cute. I feel like it looks better in person, but it has like little cups to hold your little boobs. Mine aren't little, but whatever. Moving on. It's cute. It's giving like princess, and this totally matches with this skirt or whatever. And yeah, I like it. I really love this top. Like, and it's not see-through. You don't have to wear a bra in the front, although it is see-through under like the bra boob area, and the back is see-through. And yeah, this is so cute. It's like mesh, you know. It does not feel cheap whatsoever. I 1000% recommend buying this. I thought this was gonna be a little bit of a miss. I was trying to like step out of my comfort zone. Okay, so this is cute. You know, it's not that cropped. The back is plain, you know. I like it. I feel like it goes with some jeans, you know, whatever. Calm, laid back. It's a lot brighter than I thought, like the design. I don't think this is gonna fade that quickly, to be honest. And yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I don't know what none of this says, but you know, we rolling with it. Okay, so I love this top. It is far more vibrant in person than it looks on the website when I was ordering it. I thought it was gonna be way lighter, but this is so cute. Like, it's really giving summer. And the back as well, like, I really like it. And yeah, this haul has been very successful. Let's talk about it. I have like 2-3 more items left, so sad. Okay, so I'm covering my nipples because you guys can see them if I let go. That's the back. It's cute, but it's a little too tight for me. Like, I don't know if the other shirts were just way looser, but this shirt is really tight. I bought everything in a medium. This is the only thing that's been tight, but otherwise I love the design. It's really cute, whatever. I like how it's not too cropped, you know. It's not like all the way up here. This shirt is giving hot girl summer. You want to know why? Look at the back, y'all. Hold up, look at the back. Like, okay, but the front, like, I thought it was gonna give a little bit more, to be honest, but it's calm. But the back makes up for it. Like yes, sweetie, we outside, like, you know. So I got this top and also this skirt. The skirt is not see-through. The top is not see-through. Well, it is a little bit, but not as bad as it used to be before in Shein, if you've ordered from it a lot. The top actually has like wires, so beware of that, but only here, but not under. And it's pretty good. I feel like, looking at it, I don't know if I would put these two together. I think the other top went better than the nipples. But the last item we have here is a bathing suit. I'm not gonna wear it because I can't, but it brought a bandana. Probably not gonna wear this. Maybe I will. Maybe I feel bold, who knows. But this is the bathing suit. The quality is good. It's soft, nice, you know. The bra is adjustable. It has a pad in it if you want that, and you can take it out. There's a hole if you don't like that. The pattern's really cute in person. It's not too bright. And yeah, in the back it has the string, and yeah, I like it. It's also adjustable here like that. It's cute. It's giving. I wish I could show you guys, but yeah, I bought it in a medium. And yeah, I think this is where I do my outro, unfortunately. Thank you guys so much for watching my Shein haul. If you loved this video, go ahead and give it a like, comment down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Everything that I bought has a link down in the description below. If you have any other questions, just let me know. I love you guys. Every single ounce of support means the world to me. I'm gonna see if those claw clips were worth it, because yeah. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.